There is nothing like Hebrew women.
Which one be there's nothing like it?
Hebrew women.
I go born like the Hebrew women.
In all day, you are a Nigerian woman. That Hebrew women don't carry many women lose their life. Some go talk say I reject it. They go pray against CS. Say CS na evil. Say CS na abomination. CS na curse. Woman wey use CS born, the woman na weak woman. Woman wey use CS born, the woman no get power. Pikin wey dey use CS born, pikin no go get sense. We dey forbid CS for our family. I'm a Hebrew,
our church.
Our church. I be Hebrew woman. And these are now keep quiet, dear.
Shut up.
There is nothing like Hebrew women. Those people where they read Bible, where they talk, say Hebrew women. If you read Bible, now lie, then lie. Talk, say, before we come, these Hebrew women don't, then lie.
No, but you get people where be say they before they even reach hospital, they don't born.
That one we know.
So I think that was the case, actually. Yeah.
Some of them needed intervention.
Okay.
But then lie give that guy will be king. I'm not come here to preach to anybody. But I'm saying the sentence that Hebrew women don't make many women lose their life.
That's the focus point.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you be woman and you get belly,
okay,
and time reach for you to born, your doctors can't look you say the way this thing be
you no get the strength.
You know feel do one more something they do the pikin or something they do you. We have to do CS. I use God name beg you.
Do the CS.
Do the CS. But some women now we go do CS they go still get problem. What about those we do vaginal delivery? They no still get problem. Do you get the point?
Okay.
I know somebody will do CS. The person get. I know somebody will do vaginal delivery. The person not be born again because he get complication.
The tears sometimes.
Severe problems. So I came this morning to tell you that CS is not an abomination. It is an intervention.
Okay.
Sense where God give doctors to help women where go find it difficult to give birth by themselves. There are many reasons, we call them indications, why they could do CS for a woman.
Okay.
Sharp, it plenty, but man just talk few of them. One, if people say the woman gets what they call obstructed labor, the woman pelvis they small. You understand? And it gets what they call cephalopelvic disproportion. The baby head big, if he pass, come out, he hook for road.
Okay.
He hook that one day. If he get problem with the baby, what they call fetal distress.
Okay.
As the woman they labor, they monitor the pikin. Okay. Next thing, they get within they go inside the pikin. Problem don't they dip. The baby no go fish out, tell you. But you get within we go see.
Okay.
You go know, say problem don't they do the pikin. And if you know wrong, go do and quickly bring out the baby. When you bring out the baby, you go notice say the pikin no go cry. Pikin go just be like vegetable. Ugu leave where sun don't
because
beat.
of the struggle.
Because of the stress inside belly. You know leave now ugu leave where sun don't dry. It don't weak.
Or the one we put for inside fridge.
If you bring that kind of baby out, after you don't go through those kind of stress, pikin not go feel cry. They go come they try. Sometimes they feel admit the pikin for hospital for a long time. If fear affect pikin for brain. Sometimes the cord, that placenta, that cord, if it come out, what they call cord prolapse. So there are many reasons. Don't be say and they go just wake up say we want to do CS, and then when you can't refuse them, problem if it can happen. If it affect the woman, if it affect the pikin, or if it affect the two of them. When woman born pikin, as you go greet the woman, madam, congratulations. No, they ask her how you take born. I believe anybody will ask that question.
They insensitive.
No, I'm not here.
They wicked.
I'm not here to make things sound simple and sweet. Anybody will ask the question.
Na devil
Is the person no get sense.
Okay, because I just say now worst word now winch.
I want to talk something about now middle. I want to talk something about my man. Come on, ma. If you go greet person with born, madam, congratulations. Baby boy, baby girl, how you take born? You see that woman? Now see yes, woman no get power. That is why so many women go come they hide. This kind of thing comes when we can reject CS. So this morning on radio, CS is not a cause. It no mean say the woman weak. It no mean say the woman means an abomination.
Okay.
Another form of delivery. And you, Mr. Man, no allow any woman lose her life because of your coconut head.
I hear say recently say women they fit. I don't know how true that is. I think I see I'm somewhere say you fit decide by yourself as a woman. Say you want CS.
Yeah.
Instead of make your husband decide for you.
So in this part of the world where we dey, we need enough awareness.
Okay.
In a lot of people, the thing where their head be like dust full inside. Woman get capacity to sign, say, make them do surgery for her for the CS.
Okay.
But because of this part of the world where we did now, you go hear so many women. I need to call, I need to call my guy, make I take permission,
Okay.
The husband go come, say, we not they do it for our family. Go come put the woman's life in danger. But as a woman, you are in capacity to sign. That is why we encourage women, young ladies, open your eye, open your ear. As you do, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love where you follow that person. Check in brain, no. Look in brain, no. Make I love you, no go carry your life for motto.
Ask serious questions. It'll be what color? What's your best? I mean, nobody asked me what's my best color again. I'm over. What's my best color?
What did you eat?
What did you eat? There are other conversations to have, and these are conversations where you're supposed to get. Of course, there's nothing wrong with. We'll go the phone lines, but nothing wrong with say person say, I beg, if I did this type of situation, who you go choose, me or the baby? Find out certain things so that you know what they trick your leg. Good morning, no. He say, I beg, she person where do CS twice if he born with vagina again? Doctor, is that possible?
So the answer is, if you don't use CS born twice, no, try giving birth vaginally again.
Okay.
The chances that you go lose your womb is extremely high.
Oh.
You go lose your womb, go tear. So we don't advise. But say woman do CS the first time.
Okay.
Woman can try by herself the second time. So
okay.
it's not because you don't do CS once, you know it. There are certain reasons where woman fit give birth with CS the first time. Second time she can try by herself.
Okay.
However, those decisions not be market that they get them. Not be for internet that they get them.
Not be true at
not be for family meeting that they get them. Now for hospital, if you are not convinced, go with your husband, go with your partner, so that they go break everything down. Because somebody if he try after the first CS and she go on, another person will go tell her say no, you no qualify because of this and this and this and this.
Okay.
So every woman is special and unique.
Yeah.
They hear this grammar, so not go follow, go follow. Waka go where you don't know. Only you go suffer more.
Every woman is special and unique. Meaning say no, everybody no did this. No be the same body you get.
Chook out. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.